I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here, so if that's what you're interested in, go ahead and subscribe. Okay, today I just wanted to share, because I review so many wigs, so many wig companies. I just wanted to share some wig companies that I think that you should try if you have not tried, maybe not as well known. I have 10 wig companies. This is not exclusive list. I'm going to be doing this video more regularly. So these are 10 wig companies that I think you should try if you haven't, and why. Okay, let's get started. These are in no particular order. If you have not tried Charisma wigs, I definitely think that you should try them. I really enjoy them. I have a full Charisma playlist that I will put down below. You get Charisma on Amazon. I have worked with Charisma. I have purchased from Charisma. I have reviewed at least 15, if not more, and I really do enjoy them. So if you have not tried Charisma, then you should try them. Number 2 is Persephone. Persephone and Charisma, like, honestly, the wigs are pretty much the same. A lot of times I'll have the same wig but in different colors, different, you know, slightly different styles. But as far as the quality and the type of wig, they're going to be pretty much the same. I also do work with Persephone from time to time. I have also purchased from Persephone. I have a full Persephone playlist. So that is another company that I suggest that you try if you have not. Next up is BESHE. BESHE is a sister brand to Motown Tress. Some of my very favorite wigs are from BESHE. A lot of times you can get BESHE, you can get it online, but a lot of times you're going to see a lot of BESHE in your beauty supply store. I have a BESHE playlist down below that I will link. Some of my favorites are from BESHE are Peppa, and also BB. Or Bye Bye is one of my absolute favorite wigs in general, and so if you have not checked out BESHE, I would suggest that you do so. Next is Magic Lace. I do have a full Magic Lace playlist. I think I have one more. I bought up a whole bunch of Magic Lace wigs, and I was impressed with every single one of them. I have one more that I have not reviewed yet, that I will get to. If you want to see that sooner rather than later, go ahead and put that down below. I have not disliked any of the Magic Lace wigs, and I think that definitely you should check them out if you have not. Next is Bohemian. Bohemian, I actually stumbled across the beauty supply store first, and then I started seeing some online and scooping them up, and I really enjoy those wigs. I think they're completely underrated. I don't know if it's like was just a mainly beauty supply store brand or something, I'm not sure, but I have not been disappointed with any of my Bohemian wigs, and I do have a Bohemian playlist as well, so that's another company I suggest that you try. Next up is MAYDE Beauty. I'm pretty sure that Free Trust Equal, Model, and MAYDE are the same. Styles are very similar. The color names are the same, exact same, or very similar, and the quality. Free Trust Equal is my absolute favorite company. I love Free Trust Equal. If I could work with Free Trust Equal, I would like lose my mind. Equally, I love Model, and I am feeling the exact same way about MAYDE Beauty. So if you like Model or Free Trust Equal and you have not tried MAYDE Beauty, you will equally love them, because I'm pretty sure they're all the same wigs. Next up is VELLA. I always say VELLA. Next up is VELLA, and it's also called the Sensual Collection. I have several wigs from them that I reviewed. I have a Tia wig that I reviewed, Diva. There's a playlist on VELLA. I think they're way underrated. I don't see them reviewed too often. I know I have other wigs from VELLA, and I feel like, yeah, I have another one over here that I have not reviewed from VELLA. So if you want to see another VELLA wig, go ahead and put that down below. But that's definitely an underrated company. They're pretty inexpensive, so that's something that I would suggest. Next up, I love them. Don't see them enough. HARLEM 125. Love me some HARLEM 125. Full playlist. I've probably reviewed 10 or more HARLEM 125 wigs. I've dyed HARLEM 125 wigs. I've cut HARLEM 125 wigs. I absolutely love HARLEM 125.
But listen to me. Look at.
So if you have not tried HARLEM 125, I'm not really sure what you're doing. Alright, so go ahead and check them out. I have a full playlist. If there's a HARLEM 125 wig that you would like to see reviewed that is not in that playlist, go ahead and put that down below as well. Next up is HAIRPHOCAS. HAIRPHOCAS would probably fall more into the fashion / daily wear wig. I get them on Amazon. I have purchased from HAIRPHOCAS, but I have also worked with HAIRPHOCAS, and I've really been impressed with their wigs. A lot of their wigs are full cap wigs. many are not, some of the ones that I've tried. So you can check them out. You can find HAIRPHOCAS in my Amazon wig playlist. You're also going to find Charisma and Persephone in that playlist as well. But so far I have been quite impressed, and most of the wigs hover around the $20 or less mark, so you know, can't beat that. And last but not least are the wigs that I have received from the WIG company. It's a full WIG company playlist. I do work with the WIG company, so just to put that out there. However, I always do an honest review. They always know that I'm going to do an honest review. I love working with the WIG company wigs because I find them really fun to like do updos with. They give me sort of like wedding hair, sort of I want to be fancy for no reason type of hair. Their blonde mixes are insane. I actually did get sent a whole bunch of new wig company wigs, so you're going to see a whole bunch of new reviews coming up on those. So if you want to see those sooner rather than later, go ahead and put that down below as well, and I'll put their full playlist down below. So those are 10 brands that if you have not tried, I really think that you should, because I've been impressed with their wigs. If you would like me to do this video more often, because I do review so many, and I already have like 4 that I don't have on this list that I could put on the list. So if you'd like to see videos like this a little more frequently, go ahead and put that down below. If you have subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I appreciate your support, and I love having you here as one of my little doll babies. Okay? I will see you in my next video.